With FY 2024 to 25 selected, return to dashboard, expand accounting and select manual journal. Select new journal entry. The control training date is 31st March 2025. Enter a clear narration, select the staging current account ledger for the debit side and enter 10,000. Select owner's capital, enter 10,000 debit to bank and 10,000 credit to capital, then verify equal totals before posting. The posted voucher is JV 2024 to 25 number 1. Both sides are 10,000, so the journal is balanced. Read the saved narration and posted status. Return to dashboard, open reports, select reports and then trial balance for 31st March. At 31st March 2025, the trial balance is marked balanced. Debit and credit both total 10,000. Confirm bank is the debit and owner's capital is the credit. Use the same full menu route and select final accounts for the complete year-end statement view, then compare both sides. The first year has no trading or profit and loss activity. The balance sheet closes with owner's capital 10,000 and bank 10,000 and it balances. There is no revenue, expense or inventory balance. Return to dashboard and use the header selector to switch to FY 2025 to 26. Confirm the displayed active year. From dashboard, expand accounting, open manual journal and start a new entry for that financial year. For the controlled mini case, debit bank 600 and rent 400 and credit sales goods 1000. The entry date is 31st March 2026. Check equal debit and credit totals before posting. JV 2025 to 26 number 1 posts with equal debit and credit of 1000. The net operating result is 600 profit. Open the saved voucher and confirm its posted status. Return through dashboard and the report center, then select opening balance verification for this financial year. BooksIQ marks the year continuous. Bank and owner's capital each carry from 31st March to 1st April with a zero difference. The zero difference column proves the opening balances were carried correctly. Open trial balance from the full reports route. Bank is 10,600, capital and sales are credits, rent is a debit, and both totals are 11,000. Open the main balances, then trace the 600 bank debit, 400 rent debit and 1000 sales credit, and confirm no difference. Open final accounts. Gross profit is 1000, rent is 400, net profit is 600, and the balance sheet balances at 10,600 on both sides. Trace gross profit into profit and loss, then verify the 600 period profit rolls into the balance sheet on both sides one final time. Return to dashboard and switch the header selector to FY 2026 to 27. Confirm the current year is active. From dashboard, use reports and open opening balance verification again for the current financial year. The current year is also continuous. All 4 carried accounts show zero difference. Prior retained profit is 600. Match every previous closing balance to its current opening balance. At 29 July, the report separates 600 retained profit from current year profit of 33,100. Open the current trial balance from the full reports route. It is balanced, with debit and credit both totaling 1,48,088. Review current assets, liabilities, income, expenses and tax ledgers, then trace current year activity separately from every brought forward balance before signing off. The full year final accounts include later dated closing adjustments. They show gross profit 32,655 rupees and 18 paise, full year loss 32,564 rupees and 82 paise, and a balanced balance sheet of 1,80,436. Cross-check all values with 31st March. The July as at profit and the March full year result differ because later dated entries are included. Always compare reports on the same date basis. Return to dashboard, open reports, select reports, and choose audit trail for the 3-year journals. The audit trail records the insert and post events for journals 366 and 367 with the demo user and IST timestamps. Open the matching rows and confirm both create and post actions. After authorized backdated work, return to dashboard, expand setup and open the financial year controls. Enter the approved log date, year 30th April 2026. Then save and verify with your own working number, keeping the OTP private. The control now shows locked up to 30th April 2026. The 3-year continuity proof is complete and the protected boundary is restored. Reopen the control and confirm the date before closing the case.